time. Okay, it's recording. Say hello. Show me the end of the cord. Do you even know where it is? Okay, we're about to plug in for the very first time and see if it even works. So, don't mind the mess. We are following. We got a converter or adapter, my bad. So let's check it out.
Like I'm holding a snake.
I wonder. Okay, go. Let's go. Let's oh crap! You don't fit through there. Hell, if I'm gonna fit through there. Let's see if I can climb over. Go.
Be careful.
Just go. See if it reaches all the way around. All right. I don't know how I'm gonna get through here. This is a piece of Carmela. Still haven't met her yet. Oh, bless you. Oh, yes. Give me that. Where are you going? It's right here. And
3, 2.
yeah, don't count down because I'm really nervous. I'm afraid. I don't know if Grandma's if her box can even handle. I don't know how much current or electricity this actually takes. Okay, now are you supposed to twist it first? Sorry, I didn't realize it wasn't pointing. So I don't know if we're supposed to twist it first. Maybe we were. Okay. No, I think we just put it in. Okay, so just put it in. And
Hold the camera.
hold on, yeah, but try not to get me in there. Face the. Okay, pushing it in. Turning it, turning it, turning it. You can see I have a cable thingy there too. Where are you going? Here's my water. And we need to go get a longer hose and cut off the end. So can't test out the water right now. Surprisingly, we have never tested it out. We just carried jugs with us. 4 3.5 gallon jugs. Alright, it's pretty secure. I don't think it's going anywhere. So here's our stickers.
Yeah. This is all the
This
places.
is our hitch that we're gonna put on the back. But I need to tighten up some things. That's for our bikes. This cost us about between $250 $300. So that goes in there. Same house everywhere we go, different yard. We never have to mow. Follow us on Instagram. There's our solo sticker, our wiener sticker. Makes sense right there. I'm trying to get through here and squeeze. It's a tight squeeze between my grandmother's driveway and all her crap. Here's a quick glimpse of Carmela. Now, don't mind the mess. Ready? This isn't an official introduction, but that's my little fridge right there on the right. Sink to the left on top. I have my coffee maker, my crock pot. The shelves that we bought at Lowe's are in there and they fell. We tried to put them back up with hot glue, and they fell again. So this time we're going to try some suction cups, little suction cup hooks, and leave them overnight because we've got to drive the van tomorrow to Firestone and get our inspection done and see if it lasts with the suction cups. Right there to the left is my little pantry. These are our pantry as well. We bought some little cheap shoe racks. Oh wait, that took the light away. So we have like our teas and what is this? Chia seeds.
Yeah, no,
and
flour, sugar,
just everything. Granola. Our beans, our dried beans. Well, that's parsley. That's parsley. I promise you, that's parsley. Little tea. That actually is very good tea for cleansing your system. It's called Palo Azul. When you brew it, it's a little stick or birch or something, and it's called Palo Azul.